बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida. I am a student of class 4. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn Graded O-Level Maths for O-Level Science Commerce Group, New Syllabus Mathematics Book 3, 7th edition. Chapter number 1, Quadratic Equations and Functions. Exercise 1.1, Solving Quadratic Equations by completing the square. Intermediate level B3 type question. Question number 4, solve each of the following equations giving you answer correct up to 2 decimal place. So also the form of quadratic equations are written and the methods. We are going to start the completing the square method. Also the book answers and the steps are written. You can see it. We are going to do this O-Levels Maths Book 3. Now the first step is divide coefficient of x with 2. Okay, so 17 upon 2. Then square it, put it on both sides. Okay, so now x square plus 17x minus 30 plus 17 upon 2 whole square is equal to 17 upon 2 whole square. Then solve and get a plus b whole square formula or a minus b. This 30 will be go there. 17x plus 17 upon 2. Whole square plus 30. Then here will come x plus 17 upon 2 whole square is equal to. Then 8.5. Then this will be divided, answer will become this. Then we will take out the square. So x plus 17 upon 2 is equal to 72.25 plus 30. 102.25. Then here will become. Now take radical on both sides. Okay. Then this will be cut and plus minus will be cut. Then make two equation and solve. Okay. So now I will remove this. Now, I have no space, that's why. And here will come x plus 17 upon 2 is equal to radical 102.25. X plus 17 upon 2 is equal to minus radical 102.25 will be come here. Then get square root 10.118. Okay, so x plus 17 upon 2 is equal to 10118. Now this plus 17 upon 2 will be go there. This will be x is equal to 10 upon 11, 8 minus 17 upon 2. Then get 1.618. Okay, so x is equal to 1.6118. We have done this. Then we have the first root. X is equal to 1.61 1. Now let's do the second root. So x plus 17 upon 2 is equal to minus 10.118. This will be go there. So x is equal to minus 10.118 minus 17 upon 2. Now minus 18.6118. So minus 18.6118. Now, yes, and the second root is x is equal to minus 18.61. Then roots are 1.61 or 1 minus 18.61, and this is become our final answer. So the book answers are written, you can check it. 1.61 minus 18.61 minus 18.61. It simple means this is correct. Okay. Thank you. No like, no subscribe, only share.